This is Thailand, and this is its capital, Bangkok. Bangkok is also known as
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทรายุทธยามหาดิลกพบนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีรัมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถาน
I'm not making this shit up, it's real, Google it. Anyway, today Thailand is known for cheap tourist destination, Buddha temples, beaches, food, nature and in this video I'm going to show you what to see in Thailand in 7 days trip. Let's get into it. If you fly to Thailand, you will probably reach here, Bangkok. So let's start from here. First, explore the spiritual side of Thailand. There are two famous Buddha temples in Bangkok. First is the Golden Buddha Temple. Yes, seriously, this whole statue is made from solid gold and weighs 5.5 tons. Video shooting is not allowed inside, so maybe I will post a picture over here. The second is the Sleeping Buddha Temple. This is the highest grade first class royal temple in Thailand and consists of a huge statue of Buddha of 46 meters. Both temples are very peaceful and will give your mind a relaxing time. If you like caged animals, you can visit Safari World, which is located just a half hour away from the city center. This park is further divided into Marine Park and Safari Park. In Safari Park, you can drive along the road and see different kinds of animals such as giraffe, lion, tiger, many birds. And in Marine Park, you can find water creatures. Now there is a huge controversy about how they treat these animals, but they do have different animal shows such as orangutan show, dolphin show, sea lion show. By looking at what these animals can do, you will be amazed. But you will also start wondering about how they teach these things to animals. And certainly, those methods should not be good. Another interesting place to visit is the city center of Bangkok. Now I am in the heart of Bangkok. It's the center city and I am roaming around exploring the street life. It's a crowded place with many shops and massage parlors. I will suggest definitely visit the Indra Square Mall, where you can buy many things for cheap. But don't forget to bargain. You must try a river cruise which will take you on a tour of Bangkok at night. It is the best way to see the city's skyline at night. Dinner will be provided on the cruise, which is mediocre, but you are not there for the dinner anyway. You are there for this. That's it for this video. In the next video we will go to Pattaya, which needs no introduction. And we will also see how much this trip costs. If you click the subscribe button, you will go to Thailand soon. If you like this video, please like it on YouTube and stay tuned for part 2.